family. I am your one and your only Lady of Lenses. I am back. Let's get going. We have an awesome unboxing. I'm super excited because after this unboxing, I am going to actually wear a pair of these today, and I'm super excited to wear. I'm super excited to just open it. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I am. As you see, I'm stoked about this set. So in this group, I'm putting this to the side. I had another unboxing I did. Let's just throw that over there. So this is my Vooglam unboxing. We have it came in this box. I don't want to show too much of the information with that, but it came in this box, and we're gonna do everything on camera. We're gonna unbox this thing together. I have, let's see, I thought it was 3 frames. Y'all, we got some stuff to get into today. I have 4 frames that we have to do, that we have to unbox. So I'm excited about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm making sure. So we had a big box this time, because last time I think when I unboxed these it was only 1 frame. So here we go. We have 4. So okay, now let's just get right into them, because with these, hopefully, I'm not even going in order. I don't know what is in what bag. I can't remember what I ordered. I know one specific thing that I did order for this set was the some shades, and this is my first shade, so I'm excited about that. Which, if you can see here, this is the black and white pair, which I like. When I saw these, I thought these were a little funky online, so I was just like, let's go ahead and get the classic. Now, one thing, let's point out, I love the fact that Vooglam now, they're just putting this paper, this plastic piece on the front, as you can see, it's just this script right here. I think that's awesome, because when I'm doing unboxings, if you went back and see me struggle, I was struggling, y'all. They used to wrap the whole frame. That was something. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep going. So this right here, I like the effect of this one. It's a plastic frame, and if you see on this side, we have the white coming through right here on the corners, and we have that nice little build up here. I mean, I think it's cute. Let's put it on. Let's see how it is. And I think they fit me well. Yes, I really like them. These are a nice, what I would like to consider everyday pair, because when you look at it, you can just go out and about, do what you got to do, run errands. They're not your statement piece, because I have everyday pair statement pieces that I always talk about. Those are extravagant. You wear them out, somebody will be like, girl, wait, where you going, where you get those from? And then we have our, just going out for certain occasions, but these will be everyday wear for me. They're a nice size, they fit me well. Let's get into number 2. We're going, I hope the one that I really want, I unbox at the end, but I don't know. Okay. Let's talk about this. Now, as you know, on the channel, I've had these frames. These are my new frames, because the Courtney's, which are some cat eye frames, they fit me very well. They were my number, they're my top 3, right, for Vooglam. Now these right here, these are in the top 3, and I have them in black, I have them in purple, I have them in tortoise, and now I have them in pink. Now y'all listen, while I take this plastic off, I am excited about having them in pink. Why? Because when they first came out in pink, I put them in my cart. But I'm gonna be honest with you, your girl just, I don't spend full price on my frames. So when I saw them, I was just like, wait a minute, hold up. I'm gonna just wait until they go on sale. Y'all, what happened was, oh my goodness, these are so cute. I think they're cute. I really think that these frames fit my face really well. So I have nothing bad to say, and I may be biased because these are a favorite, but anyways, let me tell you what happened before I unboxed the other one. So I went to go put them, I had them in my cart for a minute, and I was just like, no, I gotta wait till they go down, because I'm not paying full price. And when I went, because it was the next day, I was just like, what, forget it. I gotta have them. I have them in purple. They're pretty. I want them in pink. So when I went back, y'all, they did not have them. Not only did they not have them, I think it was months before they came back in stock. So when I ordered this set, I was just like, let me just go look. And when I went, they were back in stock. I was like, listen, here we are, let's go. I'm for it. I gotta get it, So I made the order, and I'm super excited about this pair. I'm super excited because it's real nice summer vibes. They fit me well. I love how I don't have anything bad. So I love this pair. Now, on to, we have two more. Like I said, hopefully the one that I really want to unbox is my first pair of like sunglasses. These are it. Okay. All right, my first pair of sunglasses. I was trying to, I wanted them to be the last one, but they're not. Are these guys? Okay. So let me tell you what this is. When I go out in the sun, they will actually change to sunglasses. So I was up in the air about which lens to actually do it to, and I was just like, you know, when I do build my sunglasses, I have to know I'm gonna spend way more because there are sunglasses in the type of lens. But Vooglam had 20% off for these lenses, so I was just like, I'm here for it. We're about to order this. And I was like, but what frame do I put them in? Because I was going to get another black one of these and just put the frames in those so that, you know, but I was like, nah, I already have like every color of these, so let's do something different. So these will be my official shades that I would officially just keep them. I have to keep them, I guess, in the car or in my bag or whatever. They have to be on me. But I wanted something. These are cute. These are cute. Now, I wanted something simple. I wanted something different. And I'm like, you know, I still have to go for at least trying to be a little, you know, on the bigger side, which these are so, but they're everyday wear type of frames, and they're really good for, I feel, sunshades. So when I go out, my lens will actually turn darker. I'm excited. I don't have to be sitting in the sun and can't see, because, you know, anybody who have to wear prescription frames know it's hard when it comes to sunglasses. We can't just pop them on because then we ain't gonna be able to sleep. You know, Little Country came out, so I'm sorry. But I'm excited about these pair. Well, this pair. So let's look at the last one that I have in this order. I'm super excited about this one too. I think this is a cute pair. We have a colorful order today, black and white. Now we had pink, we got the all black, but we got some color to this. We have a purple pair. Now, when I saw these, I was a little on a fence. I was just like, I don't know if I want to get these, but I was just like, let's just try them out and see, right? They remind me a little bit of the heart-shaped frames, but they're not quite heart shaped. Let's take these off. I'm gonna wear these bad boys today when I go out. But this right here, let's get into this. Yes. Okay. See, now we're back in my zone right now. We're back in it. So this right here, I love these frames. They're a purple. They kind of give me like that. You see that cat eye going on right here. They're not heart shaped, but to the bottom, if you look at it, they got that heart shaped design going on. But we just have like, it's like that droop to the bottom, but it goes into a cat eye here. Amazing. I really like them. I think they're cute. I think they fit my face well. And hey, we're gonna leave it out on this because these are a statement piece. These frames will definitely, people are gonna look and start smiling at you, you know, and be like, hey, how you doing? You'll be like, yes. And I love wearing frames like these, because some people say, well, why are you into the frames that are so different? But my number one goal in this life that I really love to do is bring light, you know, and to be able to bring light with something that I have to wear every day with your glasses, because I gotta see, you know, it's a simple thing to do, and to be able to just smile at someone and looking like, oh my goodness, your glasses are so beautiful. And then it's like, you can say, you know what, you are so beautiful. And you never know that you can uplift or what direction you can change someone's life in today. And that's what we need. We need to start sharing love, giving love, and just being happy no matter what you're going through. And some people don't realize, but some frames can change some people's lives, honey. I have people who you would look at and you'd be like, these people are staring at me. What's going on? So I'm smiling like, hey, how you doing? And then it's like, oh my goodness, your personality matches your frames, you know. And that's very important to me, just to spread love and be out here and just, you know, being the change that I want to see in the world. I do that every single day, and a part of that is through my frame. So I thank you guys so much for joining me, for watching the videos. We're going to have so much more videos to come. Just continue to join the family. I have like I have not made another order. Let's put that out there. I have to, you know, but there's some ideas that I have with the frames that I already have, and I want, you know, just to have fun and explore everything that I already have, because it's no way that I wear them on a day-to-day, but we can have some unique videos about them. So thank you guys for joining me. Until next time, always remember, I am your one, your only Lady of Lenses, Lady Simone, and I will see you next time.